Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about an interesting fact. We will know how to link your Aadhaar card with your PAN card online. You can do it simply yourself. I will tell you two processes. First of all, you need visit You need not visit any cyber cafe. I repeat, you need not visit any cyber cafe or any computer shop. You can do it yourself. Yesterday I uploaded the same topic video, but you all complained that the picture quality of the video was very bad, and you all requested me to upload the video once again. So don't worry friends, sometimes it happened, but don't worry, I will tell you once again how to do it. You only need a smartphone or any other phone. First of all, friends, you know that the government has issued orders to link Aadhaar with the PAN card, but ever and ever the date had been extended. If you don't link your Aadhaar with the PAN, your PAN card may be cancelled. So you have to do it immediately. Don't worry, I will show how to do it. You can do it at home. Yesterday the central government released a notification that the last date of linking Aadhaar with the PAN is now selected 30th June. I repeat, 30th June 2020. So you have only 15 to 16 days. So you can understand that you have to do it immediately. Now let's have a look how to do it. Before this, please subscribe my channel, please, and press the bell icon to get the notification of the uploaded videos first. If you like the video, please share with your friends. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay friend, now I will show you the two processes. First of all, you need a smartphone with internet connection so that you can link your Aadhaar card with the PAN card online. You just need to click on the Google Chrome browser. Here friend, Google Chrome. Okay, I clicked. Now you have to open Google. Just write here income tax and search. Yes, the page www.incometaxindia.efilling.gov.in. This is the page. You have to click here. Yes, you have to close this pop-up window. Okay, now look at here. I will show you the fourth option, link Aadhaar. Click here. Yes, here you can see you have to put your PAN number, Aadhaar number, name as per Aadhaar, and the captcha code. Before this, please keep ready your Aadhaar and PAN card. Now you have to put here your Aadhaar card and Aadhaar card number and PAN card number. I will show you. Yes, my PAN card number is EZ A P B6677B. You don't need to worry if the letters are written in the capital form or in the small form. The income tax department will understand. You don't need to worry. Aadhaar card number 402744974243. Name SUMAN BIS Suman Biswas. Here you have to look. I have only year of birth in Aadhaar card. Just leave this column untick. You do not need to tick here, but you have to click here. I agree to validate my Aadhaar details with the UIDAI, because you want to validate your Aadhaar details. Okay, now just click on the captcha code. This captcha code is only for the visualized persons. If you are a visualized challenged person, you do not need to fill image captcha. You just need to click on the request OTP. If you are a visually challenged user, otherwise you just click on the captcha code option and write the exact captcha that is showing. Now you have to put here link Aadhaar, and the next window will show you that your Aadhaar card and your PAN card both have been linked up. I will show you. Yes friend, this is the next window. Your request has been sent to UIDAI for validation of Aadhaar. Please check the status letter by clicking on link Aadhaar hyperlink in the home page. If you want to check if the process had been done or not, you can just check from here. I will show you. Just come to the home page of income tax department, click on the link Aadhaar here again, and this page will be opened again, and you have to click here. Just look at here, click here to view the status. If you have already submitted link Aadhaar request, you have to click here. I clicked. Yes, from here you can check the status. You have to put here your PAN card number, your Aadhaar card number, and view link Aadhaar status. The next window will show you if the status has been successful or not. Okay, now friend, I will show you another process. The next process is you just need to send SMS. You do not need to visit any cyber cafe or any computer shop. I repeat, you do not need. You just want to send SMS. Just go to the SMS section and send the message. What you have to send, I will show you. Yes friend, you have to write UID PAN after a space, your 12-digit Aadhaar number, then again a space, then 10-digit PAN number, and send the message. Anyone you can use the number 567678 or 56161. You can use anyone. You do not need to send both the numbers. You just need one number, 567678. 78 or 56161. One thing just remember, friend, you have to send the SMS from the registered mobile number, the mobile number that is registered with the Aadhaar card. I repeat, the mobile number that is registered with the Aadhaar card. You just need to send from that very registered mobile number, otherwise the link process will not be completed. If you have seeded your mobile number with the Aadhaar card, you can send this message and your link up process will be completed within seconds. Okay friend, then it's okay. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.